Hello guys, welcome to CAD by Rahul. Today we will see how to create this model, which is index slide. So first we locate front view, side view and top view. So this is front view. This is the right view. And this is top view. So let's go. First we create the outer body, which is in rectangle having dimension 50 and 108. For that, let's go to software, part, file name as index slide. OK. Template, MMNS part solid. OK. First we take front plane to extrude. Select rectangle. Give the dimensions 108 and 50. Click OK. Having height of 28. So outer body is created. Now we have to remove the material. First we remove this material. So select this surface. Draw the rectangle having dimension of 53 mm. Remove the material, which is 6 mm. Now we are going to remove this material. For that, select this surface. Take references. Draw triangles having 30-degree angles. This dimension is 11 mm. And this angle is 30 degree. Now close these triangles and remove this material. Now we are going to cut this hole having dimension of 28.6 mm diameter. Just remove it. Now we are going to cut this groove. For that, select this plane. Draw a rectangle having dimension of 22 and 16 from the edge. Remove this material. In such way, we got this profile. Now we are going to cut this circular groove. For that, select this surface. Locate these points, which is 11 mm. Draw an arc. It has a radius of 95 mm. Now draw the second arc, which has 70 mm radius. Close this loop. This groove is 6 mm deep, so remove this material. Now we are going to create holes having dimension of 10 mm and the distance between two holes is 32. For that, select this profile, extrude command, draw first construction circle having radius of 82 mm. Now locate the holes on this construction circle. Okay, remove this material. So here we go. Finally we got the profile and our model is completed. This is front view. This is right view. This is top view. And this is isometric view. So we have successfully created this 3D model using 2D sketch. Hope you enjoy this video. For more 3D models, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.